Woohoo, ladies and gentlemen, in this video I'm going to be doing a total product overview of the Smotir Vac 05, a cordless stick vacuum cleaner with a 65-minute runtime, a 50 kPa self-standing, 1mm hose cordless stick vacuum cleaner. Because it's not only versatile and powerful, but because I want to show you why it's been such an excellent investment for our home. So this is a lightweight cordless stick vacuum with powerful suction for hardwood floors, tile, carpet, and furniture. It has a super long runtime that's enough to vacuum my entire house all in one go, and comes with several swappable heads for different surfaces. But we got this vacuum for a couple of different reasons. The first is because we've got different types of floors and wanted something that vacuumed effectively on all of them. The second reason is because we've got kids who constantly make messes, but often drop stuff on the ground like food, crumbs, and other stuff that are just heavier to pick up, so we needed something powerful enough to pick up heavy debris. And the third reason is because we have a dog who is shosho awesome, but he sheds all the time. And so we wanted something that was also effectively remove his hair from our furniture, carpet, and rugs. So if you're looking for a vacuum for any of the same reasons, just go and buy this vacuum. But if you need further convincing, let's talk about the swappable heads in Cyclone, starting with a motor bar cleaning head. So this is your workhorse. You'll use it 90% of the time. It works on all floors, so hardwood floors, carpet, rugs, and tile. Then you have this 2-in-1 brush. Simply pressing on this button here retracts back and protracts forward the brush head, which is good for removing dust from dusty surfaces and furniture, or using the crevice nozzle for tight corners and nooks. Then you have this furniture scraper, which is good for removing embedded hair and lint from couch cushions and tightly woven fabrics. Then you have this flex hose, which takes vacuuming furniture to a whole new level. I simply connect it and then use the crevice nozzle to get deep within cushions, underneath pillows, and all around stuff without having to maneuver the entire vacuum around. It just gets into that one little corner that you need. Then you have this pet scraper that by pushing on this button here, it lets you take the little scrapers and lightly drag them across your pet's coat to take hold like of the loose hair. And then by also letting go of the button, it pushes all of the hair outwards and then gets suctioned up. It's really quick, clean, and easy. Then you have this extendable wand that by pressing on this button here, it extends the wand into an upright stick vacuum. I love using this to get under the couch and not having to bend over as much when vacuuming. And then finally, you have the Cyclone. First, you have this little button here that if you press, it releases the dustbin to empty out the dustbin. But then if you press on this button here by the handle, it allows you to also push more dust out of the dustbin to basically remove all of the dust from the dustbin. And then if you press on this button here, it also removes the dustbin to completely wash out and rinse, but also provides you access to the filters. Then to access and clean the filters, you simply remove the dustbin, and then you yank on this little pull tab here to remove the filter. You'll take this apart, run it under water, and rinse it off, let it air dry for 24 hours, and then simply insert it back, wedge it into place, and you're good to go. Then it comes with a removable battery that slides in and locks under the handle and trigger. And then by pressing the trigger, it'll activate the Cyclone and illuminate the back LCD screen to show you how much power you have left and what mode of power you're using. And if you press on this button here, it'll switch it from eco mode to turbo mode to super deluxe turbo boost mode. A couple of fun features is that on eco mode, I can vacuum my entire house, all floors in one session. Laundry room, our kids' room, the bathroom, the playroom, this little book nook, a guest room, all of the stairs, the living room, kitchen, the mud room, this little entry room here, our bathroom, closet, and our entire master bedroom all in one go. And what I'll do is occasionally switch it to Super Turbo Deluxe Boost mode to pick up heavier debris or crumbs and stuff lodged in carpet and rugs. Another great feature is how easy it is to empty out the dustbin. So just be sure you're standing over a trash can, and then you'll just press on this button here. It'll swing open the door, and then just give it a couple of pats, and if necessary, a grab or two, which empties out most of the remaining debris. And then by pressing on this button, push action here, it cleans out the Cyclone and filters it even more. Then you simply close the lid until it locks into place, and you're good to go. Charging it is pretty simple as well. Simply plug it into the little port found here, and if it's still attached to the Cyclone, it'll illuminate the LCD screen, indicating how much charging it still needs to reach 100%. But you also have to remove the battery as well as charge separately from the Cyclone for further convenience. So it's pretty great. So if this isn't obvious by now, this thing picks up fine debris without issues, works great on carpet, hardwood floors, and tile. It takes about 4 hours to charge the battery and then allows you to easily vacuum to your heart's content. So yeah, it's great, especially for the turbo boost mode and picking up lodged crumbs and debris in carpet. So that's my product overview of this ergonomic, efficient, and mean little vacuum cleaner. And if you've gotten this far in my video and found it in any way helpful or informative, even if you end up going with another vacuum, I'd really appreciate just a simple thumbs up or a heart on the video. Over and out.